QuickBooks, Xero, and HelloBooks.ai all claim to be the best accounting software in 2026. But here's the truth. Most comparisons you see online don't actually test them in real world scenarios. So I did. I used all three tools side by side, tracking invoices, reconciling transactions, and managing real workflows. And in this video, I'm not just listing features, I'm showing you what actually matters when you're running a business. Let's meet the three contenders. First, HelloBooks.ai, a modern AI-first accounting platform built for speed and simplicity. Second, QuickBooks, one of the most popular and widely used accounting tools globally. And third, Xero, known for its clean interface and strong integrations, now pushing heavily into AI. All three are powerful, but they are built very differently. Let's talk about pricing, because this is where most businesses start. QuickBooks offers multiple plans, but cost can quickly increase as you add features or users. Xero also has tiered pricing, affordable at entry level, but again scaling gets expensive. HelloBooks.ai, on the other hand, focuses on simple and transparent pricing, especially attractive for small businesses and startups. So, if budget is your priority, HelloBooks.ai clearly has an edge, but pricing alone isn't everything. This is where things get really interesting. HelloBooks.ai is AI native, meaning AI is built into its core. It automates data entry, categorization, and even insights from day one. QuickBooks and Xero, however, have added AI features later, what we call AI bolted on. Yes, they have automation, but it often feels like an add-on, not a core experience. And that difference shows up in speed, accuracy, and how much manual work you still have to do. Now, let's talk about ease of use, especially if you are not an accountant. QuickBooks is powerful but can feel overwhelming for beginners. There's a learning curve. Xero is cleaner and more intuitive but still requires some accounting knowledge. HelloBooks.ai is built for non-accountants. Simple dashboards, guided workflows, and minimal setup. If you want something you can start using immediately without tutorials, HelloBooks.ai wins here. This was one of the biggest differences I noticed. In QuickBooks and Xero, reconciliation still requires reviewing and matching transactions manually, even with automation. But HelloBooks.ai significantly reduces this effort using AI-driven matching and categorization. What took several minutes in traditional tools was completed in seconds. So, if saving time is critical for you, this is a game changer. So, which one should you choose? If you are an established business or accountant needing deep features, QuickBooks is still a solid choice. If you want a balance between usability and integration, Xero works well. But if you are a startup, small business, or non-accountant founder, HelloBooks.ai is clearly the easiest and fastest option. It's built for how businesses operate in 2026, not 2010. So, here's my verdict. All three tools are good, but HelloBooks.ai feels like the future. If you want to save time, reduce manual work, and simplify your accounting, give it a try for free. And if this comparison helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who is still stuck doing accounting the hard way. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.